Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. There are still concerns about the wage gap between Jamaican women and men. The latest discussion was at the Scotiabank Women Initiative yesterday. PIOJ's Deputy Director General for Sustainable Development and Social Planning, Claire Bernard, pointed to data showing that despite more women matriculating at the tertiary level, men are still being paid more.
So for every dollar that the average man earns, the average Jamaican woman earns 62 cents. That's a huge difference. And when we look at the Human Development Index, while we do well in average schooling and life expectancy and all of that, men earn 54% more than us in the gross national income.
She says there are also disparities between male and female entrepreneurs.
A survey we did in the PIOJ 2 years ago said that 80% of the entrepreneurs, female entrepreneurs survey, said that they had problems getting credit, and 43% had no collateral. So again, we have a major issue.
There are mixed results for the prices of petroleum products effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will be increased by 25 cents. Petrojam announced that diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will fall by 25 cents. Kerosene goes up by $1.05 and 20 cents will be added to the cost of propane, while butane will see a 39-cent decrease. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,024 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 16 points. Among the winners, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Kingston Wharves, Knutsford Express, AMG Packaging and Paper, and Access Financial Services. Losers were led by First Rock Real Estate Investments, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, CAC 2000, Jamaica Producers, and Blue Power Group. 19 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading today, financial institutions are selling the American dollar for an average $158.19. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.54. $197.43 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $165.56. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.